In the last couple of years, we've really advanced our offering of technology-enabled care. We've been utilising a product called a Canary Home Monitoring System, which is a fantastic bit of kit. That will go into somebody's own home. Say it's your mum who lives by herself. That's installed very simply by our team. You don't need the internet access for that site. It works on the mobile phone network. And we install then a series of sensors around the property in each room and on external doors. And it would monitor then mum's movement, and it monitors temperature and light levels. It doesn't record sound, and it doesn't record any cameras. It's a very discreet system. And that allows then unpaid carers, usually children or maybe grandson or granddaughter, to log into a website wherever they are in the world on whatever device they want. It could be their phone, tablet, laptop, and they can see that mum's movements around the property, and that tells them straight away mum's up and about, and that's reassuring. It enables a carer who may live many miles away that ability to have eyes on and to contact somebody more locally there if there's a problem. The Memorabel is a day calendar clock which is very good at giving somebody orientation as to the day and time. It also allows family members to program up to 20 reminders a day. We deploy lots and lots of them for lots of reasons, whether it's medication prompts, whether it's prompting somebody to drink regularly throughout the day. It's a very popular device. The feedback we've had from families has been really amazing. There's been at least 3 families that have said to us the system is an absolute godsend, and that's a big word, and I think that does the system justice.